We do not have the men to storm Kjotve's fortress. The losses would ruin us.
The losses have ruined us, father. Until we cut off this serpent's head, it will poison us day by day, drop by drop.
The poison has already polluted our waters.
God save all. What happened?
Spies in our camp. 3 men sent by Kjotve to kill us as we slept. I returned the favor.
There, you see? This is what waiting brings. We must answer this insult.
They came from Notfall, that whaling village under Kjotve's control.
We hid him there. Burn it down before Kjotve learns his spies are dead.
He may have sent more. I can search the village while you round up the crew.
No need. I will send Hytham to search the area. You can rely on him while we are away.
We? Do you mean to join us?
I have not been bred for Valhalla like you, but this will be far from my first battle.
I do not like this, but I will not stop you.
Okay. Chiad. Okay.
Do not lead my son into the same storm that follows you.
Dacht ik bhí seo a ritmi erige ní sin inach a sin feiscir an bécach ach tickle.
Let's get out of here.
Sin.
Can't raise the sail yet.
Okay. Cael sin y dal. And a hen, Gerst.
We can raise the sail in these
Warriors!
Let the sail
Strangers!
out!
When I was away, far from these frozen shores, wondering if I should ever see home again, I grew afraid. Afraid I would not return in time to see Kjotve's end. Afraid I would not see him bleed out like a stuck pig in a drift of snow. But here I am, home in time to join those I have missed, those I love, in this glorious fight. Today we seize Notfall from Kjotve.
Notfall.
Tonight his heart will pulse with worry. Tomorrow it will burst from fear. He will beseech the gods for aid, for they will be deaf to his cries. And soon the Raven clan will feast on his dead. You know these isles best, Wolf-Kissed. Lead us to victory.
I will show the way, but you must lead us there.
Oh, Eivor. I missed having you at my side. How I wished I could have taken you along.
Na háirithin gléomh
Bjorn did not trust
a cuairteann na háirithin a sin bhain.
Together, we are unstoppable.
Okay, I'm switching question dolly and a raid illa and a here. It's kinshach switching to be shot. I got you a rhythm yet again nishin and noch. Fishing a dash Jehanya or son stream illa, Valhalla. And a here.
I should not be seen in this area.
Shane. Oops. Belle skiakum. Yik. Right. Okay. Right. Boy lag is catch. Pussy. Pussy. stay. Okay. J-I-E-I. Oops. Find and burn the supply wagons. Okay.
Show me.
Darach. Jech. Shingiri.
Off they take you.
Outfall lies in ruin.
Ships are coming!
Okay, Javis in the channel. Watson. Theo Huga Shah. Reach Sigurd. Okay. Down here.
Hail, Ravenclan! You reap a bloody harvest.
Who are you, Gester? Name yourself.
I know his face. He met with your father not long ago.
I did, indeed. I am Guthorm, uncle to King Harold of the North. I speak for my nephew when there is need.
This is not King Harold's land. Why does he send warriors so far south?
You may ask him yourself, my lord.
Thank you, uncle. And you are Sigurd of the Raven clan, is that right? Son of the wise King Styrbjörn.
I am. And you are standing on his land, King Harold. Land we have reclaimed with blood and steel.
That I see, and I honor it, for I have not come to war against you, but for you, at the request of your father.
The canny wolf. Was this the plan he spoke of?
I offer my support. With my warriors, your Raven clan can take Kjotve's fortress and settle this rivalry for good.
This is good news, Eivor. The Wandering King will tip our fortunes.
Why risk your men to help us, King? Have you a stake in this fight?
This war between Kjotve's clan and your own has long simmered on my southern border. I wish to see it put to rest. There will be no peace while Kjotve lives. But there's much agreement between your father and me.
This blood feud runs deep, King Harold. We welcome your help, but I must lead the charge.
I see. Is this a question of honor?
It is.
Honored.
Many winters ago, Kjotve broke an oath to our fathers. He betrayed a friendly peace and slaughtered many.
I understand. Sigurd Jarl will lead the assault against Kjotve and his clan. Give him full command of my ships and my warriors. When your victory is in hand, Sigurd, find me at Alrekstadir, and we will celebrate together.
Well,
Our men will gather at
dude.
Florley, near the mouth of the fjord northeast of here. Will you join us?
Hold a moment. You captain our longship, Eivor. Meet us there, and we will claim Kjotve's head for the gods.
Brother, I have waited too many years for this day. When Kjotve stands before us, give me the final blow.
You will have it, Eivor. You deserve it.
Stel hem met je Jackeson.
Eivor, give us a hand. Harald is generous with his troops. More than I would be.
I cannot fathom his game. He's either a young fool or deceptively wise.
Whatever his reason, I have a good feeling this war is near its end.
Wel, het drach arach gyn arms. Okay. Sin acu jerig yn quest asyn, am yswyn. Hísim ha cutscene eile dul bhí acin inis. Nope. Coram acin urtan eile I dhéanú. Scanne bhéin. New quest. Crew test. Well, we mentioned a rut inishin. She gun savin gamma. Agus go bhí sin san itú thug na Gaelú nach go bhí sin déisio rá Bake Off, so lei sin fé mí feáil ag níad a seo ach bhí sin nuráis de thaine san barach de thaine ag uad fescar agus héit sin íonsaí chiad agus le chuide chu bhana assassins agus bhán Rì Harold, so chanúnig dal chiad ach héite chiad ha cíns. Tain go mór an bhín am chuideach go dú, ba mór an acu ann agus mór an san chat agus am dachas gon de chart éirih. Héit streamethe seo suas is YouTube an an Pàirt agus nuair sin bí na ha streams dal suas YouTube goideach ach suing go ule am feicin Twitch. Ha mín dúil le Valhalla if bhí deanú na missionin cacheante dí se phríomh scíalach iad sin I dhéanú a stream ach goiteigh nam am thir mar go bích go déan mí caran rutan in éile sidequest agus ruta mar sin ach hí sin mar a héit gain ach am is spent gon gluisin seo san ina gris san a vías a seo go agus chuir mí sias a resolution becan go bhí a céad bulach chama ach bí a tuachta ha nascútar mí am is spent nach heile dal stat áin ach mór an taing I dtíis san bhí am chuideach san Cluicheamaid éile agus hí mí de thaine chuideachú. Cheers drasta.